All right, let's look at problem 4. Problem 4 is a word problem. So, reminder, we should be annotating at first. Read the whole thing, then annotate. And it says at a sale of summer clothing, Jeff brought 3 pairs of flip-flops, 5 tank tops for that total. And then Tori bought 3 pairs of flip-flops, 2 tank tops for that total. It says, what is the price for flip-flops? What is the price for tank tops? So I know with the question at the end, those are going to be my variables. So I'm going to use F to be the price of the flip-flops. And I'm going to go ahead and use T to be the price of the tank top. Now be careful with T. Don't make it look like your plus sign. And I'm actually going to have 2 equations, one for Jeff's purchases and one for Tori's purchases. So for Jeff, he had 3 pairs of flip-flops. That'd be 3F. And he had 5 tank tops, so plus 5T. And he paid $55. And then Tori, she also had 3 pairs of flip-flops, but she only had 2 tank tops, and she spent $31. Now, I need to solve this system so I can answer that question. And in this particular one, there are no opposites and neither equations is solved. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to just multiply the bottom equation by -1. The reason why I'm doing that is because I already have a positive 3F, and I just want to make a -3F on the bottom. So technically on the top, I'm multiplying by +1. Okay, so let's go ahead and do that step here. So everything on the top basically stays the same. So I have 3F plus 5T equals 55. Everything on the bottom gets multiplied by -1. So I have -3F, -2T, and -31. Well, now that I have opposites, I can add my equations together. So that's 0. That's 3T. And that is 24. I have an equation to solve. Divide by 3. And I know right now the tank tops cost $8. So now I need to plug that back in. Now make sure you're using one of your originals, and I need to plug that in for the T. I'm going to use that bottom equation. So I'm going to plug my 8 in for that T right there. So I'd have 3F plus 2 times 8 equals 31. Go ahead and multiply that out and solve our 2-step equation. Divide by 3. And the flip-flops are costing them $5. So for the final answer, remember, this is a word problem, so I should write a sentence as my response. Okay? Just simply, don't try to be too wordy. The flip-flops cost $5, and the tank tops cost $8. Okay, and that's all that you would need to do for that particular problem.